Krishi Vigyan Kendra or Farm Science Center is a multidisciplinary, innovative institution for dissemination of technologies in the field of agriculture and allied sectors. The Krishi Vigyan Kendras are found in all the districts of the states and union territories of the country. As such, the Krishi Vigyan Kendra of East Khasils district is located at 5th Mile Upper Shillong, and of the mandates and objectives of the institution, trial units are an important part for demonstration and exposure to the farming community. The following are the glimpses and a brief description of the trial unit set up recently in the KVK farm. A demonstration called Maize and Legume Intercropping in the KVK farm. In the demonstration site, French bean variety selection 9 is intercropped with sweet corn variety. A scientific package of practices for maize feed production is raised on terraces and low-lying areas. Potato cultivation using different varieties is another demonstration in the KVK farm following the scientific package of practices of line sowing of potato. Paddy cum fish culture is a technology demonstrated in the KVK farm wherein paddy is incorporated with fish farming, giving emphasis on alternate and additional source of income. A pond-based integrated farming system is also set up in the KVK farm. Incorporation of fish farming along with livestock rearing, horticulture, and other crops is an important activity that can serve as a paradigm shift in the need of the hour to the burning issues of agriculture and environment. KVK Center has also set up a protected cultivation demonstration unit using 50% shade net for cultivation of various high-value crops such as capsicum all throughout the year. For small and marginal farmers having less acreage of area, a protected structure such as a polyhouse made up of UV films can serve as a solution to year-round production of various crops which can fetch good returns to the farmers. A rainwater harvesting structure known as jalkun to meet the demand of moisture during the lean period of the season. Demonstration on Nutri Garden or Kitchen Garden to meet the household or domestic nutritional needs. Presented. Buckwheat, a pseudo cereal of high nutritive value, is being tried as a pilot project in the KVK farm. VL Ulgal buckwheat has high promising seed production in the region which can fetch additional income to the farmers. Kiwi plantation in the terraces using the scientific package of practices. The center has also set up a small unit recently for the new technologies known as hydroponics and aquaponics to give demonstration on the new soilless technology in agriculture and other sectors. vermicompost unit using shade net and vermibeds is set up recently in the KVK farm for production of vermicompost. Vermicompost has high demand in the present organic farming scenario, which can serve as a solution to the supplement of soil nutrient apart from inorganic materials. A demonstration unit under protected cultivation for temperate fruits such as plum using anti-hail nets to provide protection against the losses due to hailstorms. Polytunnel with low-cost vertical racks is set up for demonstrating production of healthy and quality planting materials using the technologies of ProTrace and Jiffy bags. Krishi Vigyan Kendra East Hills District also imparts on-campus, off-campus training programs, online training programs, on-farm trials and demonstrations, and other activities as well. For further clarification, inquiries, please visit Krishi Vigyan Kendra at 5th Mile Upper Shillong. Thank you.